a text and it stopped recording. 5 times 3 is 15, so 6 times 3 is 18. That's why this one works. 7 times 3 is not 20, so that's why these other 3 don't work. Down here there's 2 triangles, so this one on the outside is the one I'm going to do first. You're trying to find the height of the wall, and the person is 12 feet from the wall and 6 feet from the ladder. So this bottom part's 18. So here's your triangle, you have x and 18. Then you have this other little triangle right here, where this person's 5 feet, so here's the other triangle. You have 6 and 5. The big triangle is x and 18. So we just do what we've been doing with these. Line equals line. 6 over 18 equals 5 over x. 6 over 18 reduces to 1/3. So I'm going to change that to 1/3. So 15 equals x. Okay, cool. That's easy. Okay, for the next one, solve for x. This is the altitude up here. So this is the altitude. This is part 2. This is part 1. So I'll use altitude, what is it, part 1 divided by altitude equals altitude over part 2. So it's going to be 16 over, no, that's 9. 9 over x equals x over 16. So x squared equals 144. Take the square root of that, you get x equals 12. That one's been coming up a lot. Okay, so now you have part 2, part 1. Here's the altitude. This is long, this is short, and this is the height. So we have, looking for the long. So I believe it's, I think it's it's part 2 divided by long equals long divided by height. So 8 divided by d equals d divided by 8 plus 4 is 12. So the height is 12. So 12 here. 12 times 8. So you get d squared equals 96. And then take the square root. Square root of 96 is 9.79. So d equals 9.7980. Or if you want to simplify it, the square root of 96, let's see, 96 divided by 49. Nope. Here's what I'm doing. So 96 divided by 36. Nope. 96 divided by 25. 96 divided by 16. That works. So 96 is 16 and 6. Square root of 16 is 4, so 4 squared is 6. Either answer works. Solve for x. Oh, there's a problem here. It's just not here. But you have to distribute. I can just make one up. I don't really remember what was here. I don't know, it has something to do with distribution. Well, whatever. Here, okay. Well, x plus 1 equals 3. I don't remember what was here. So x plus 1 equals 3x minus 12. 1 equals 2x minus 12. And then 13 equals 2x. So x equals 13 over 2 on this one that I made up. If you don't watch the video and just look at the key, I made this one up because it didn't print. corresponding angles and sides. Oh, that's great. A, B, C, D. Let's make that E, and this one F. Okay, so angles that match up. So angle A, angle B, and angle C. Angle A corresponds to angle F. Angle B corresponds to D, and then E corresponds to C. So those are angles, and then sides, we don't say they're equal. We'll do AB, CB, and AC. I'm just going to use this here. It's a little cheat sheet. So A is the same as F, so that's F, the same as F. B is the same as D, and then C is the same as E. So E, E. There we go. What angle is between segment CA, so CA and CT. Oh, this must have been a T. I'm going to change this to a B. So that's angle C. What side is between D and G? Oh, one of these must have been a G. Why was it a G? Let's just make it this one. This one's G. No, I did that backwards. So I'm going to make this F. Angle F. So that's side DF. Following triangle similar. Okay, so is 14 over 49 equal to 8 over 28? Got some weird numbers. So 14 over 49 is 2/7. 8 over 28 is 2/7. They are correct. So yes, it's a side, angle, side. That side, this angle, those sides. Oh hey, a lot of people missed. Oh, did I? I hope I included that on the video. 24-foot building. So here's a building. It's 24 feet. Then here's its shadow. And the shadow is 8 feet. 24 and 8. So now we want the height of a building that has an 20-foot shadow. It's a big shadow. So I'm just going to set it up like I see it here. 24 is on the top left, 8's on the bottom right left. 20, so X over here is on the top left, and then 20 down here is on the bottom right. 24 over 8 reduces to what? 1/3, 3? 24 over 8. So 3 over 1 equals X over 20. 60 equals X. Here's an easy one. I'm just going to do it in here. 8 over X equals 9 over 6. So 9X equals 48. 48 divided by 9 is not going to come out as a whole number. 48 divided by 9. So X equals 16 over 3. Or, let's do this again. 5.3. Repeating. You buy 12 cans of soup for $8. So $8 gets you 12 cans. So how much would you pay for 30 cans? Obviously you're going to pay more, so if you mess that up, you should know 12x equals 3 times 8 equals 240. So 240 divided by 12, is that 20? 240 divided by 12. So x equals 20. So should you be paying More than twice as much for more than twice as many cans. Yes, you should. Similarity statement for these figures. Okay, so let's just do this one first. Triangle GEF is similar to triangle. G matches N. E is nothing, so E is M, and then F matches L. Wait, what am I doing? L. There should be an L here. So for X, this is part 1, this is part 2, and this is the altitude. So 9 over X equals X over 25. So X squared equals, so 8 quarters is $2 plus another, so 225. X squared equals 225. Hope that's right. Take the square root, you get X equals 15. Hey, my battery's on 5%. Cool, almost done. Solve for Y. So this is, we're looking for part 1. This is part 2. Huh, interesting. Well, there's an equation with, what's the part 1? We have long and we have short. So let's use the, I think it's part 1 divided by short equals short divided by part, no, height. So part 1 is Y divided by short is 10 equals 10 divided by 26. So 26y equals 100. Y equals 100 by 26, which reduces to y equals 50 over 13, or 50 over 13, 3.84. Okay. Make sure I did that one right. Well, if you see corrections to this, then it's because I did it wrong. Bonus points. If you, on this page, okay, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, if you write the word fish 3 times under your answer sheet, like at the bottom of your answer sheet, then I will give you extra points on the test. Good luck.